Alright guys, I'm doing something else now. I'm busy repairing 8 horsepower Yamaha outboard engine. It hadn't ran in 2 years. It's from my parents. I pulled it 2 times and it ran, so that was very good, but it did not cool. Or it did not cool very well. I found there was very little water coming through, so I pulled it. I pulled the propeller tail section off, and up there you can see around the drive shaft there comes an impeller that pumps the water out up to the engine. So but that impeller wasn't working very well. Also very handy to know is that you got a shifter stick here, the gears are in there, and the shifter stick comes through under here, and through that hole you can unfix a bolt, a clamp, and then you can pull the tail out of there. So but this was probably the problem. This is the impeller housing, the pump. The impeller goes in there around the shaft, and it doesn't look very worn, but I'm gonna order a new one, so that's going to be good. But this piece over there is going in a tube that goes up to the engine, and there was this little piece is a rubber that goes in there, but it was shoved in when the last time it got pulled apart, and so probably it didn't cool very well the last times we used it, but it did cool. I have seen water coming out of it, but it wasn't much. So this was squished up right in there, so the hole wasn't very big. So probably if I got this all together again, it would work, but I'm going to buy a new impeller first. And also handy to know, this cap was on there, so when you pull this out you can undo the bolt for the shifter. So fairly simple things to do, but you have to know how it all goes apart and back together again. So that was first my video. When I get the parts, I will be building this back in, and I will show you how to do that. So see you next week or so, I think, for a new video on this, and it will be running very good again, I'm sure, because that hole was clogged up. So thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, and I will be posting something new soon. Thank you.